In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a menu to your site using the Wix editor. This is an essential step in building an intuitive and navigable website, as a well-placed menu guides your visitors seamlessly through your content. So let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process. First, open the Wix editor and direct your attention to the left side menu. Here, you'll see a handy little button with a plus sign, aptly named the Plus Add button. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open up a variety of elements that you can incorporate into your site. Our focus today is on menus, so from the options available, navigate your way down to Menu and Anchor. You're now presented with different menu types to suit your website's design needs. Whether you're envisioning a sleek horizontal menu or prefer a vertical sidebar style, take a moment to choose the type that best complements your site's aesthetic and user navigation preferences. Once you've picked your menu type, click to add it to your page. Now, this is where the fun begins. You can actually drag the menu to your preferred location on your web page. A common practice is to position it within the header, but feel free to experiment with different placements to see what works best for your site's design and layout. It's all about creating an inviting and easy-to-navigate experience for your visitors. Now, to enhance the functionality of your menu and ensure it remains accessible as users scroll through your content, we're going to pin it to the screen. To do this, right-click on the menu element you've just added. A menu will appear with several options. Here, you'll want to select Pin to Screen. This action effectively locks the menu in place, maintaining its presence on the viewer's screens, no matter where they are on your page. After you've successfully pinned the menu, a panel will appear. This is your control center for setting the menu's exact position on the screen. You'll find options to adjust both the horizontal and vertical offsets, so take some time to play around with these settings. This will enable you to perfectly position the menu, ensuring it floats unobtrusively yet accessibly on your screen. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and some creative positioning, you've successfully added a menu to your site, creating a seamless and user-friendly navigation experience for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helped you enhance your website. Happy editing!